We're going to enter a time together where we meditate, enter that silence together with that assurance. As we sang that song this morning, you are good, and your love endures. We have the assurance in ourselves of our own goodness too. So I say to you, you are good. You are good, and your love endures. We have the assurance of our divine nature. Yes, the human nature is here too. But we have the assurance that our love endures. Beyond the body, beyond the troubles, beyond the world of illusions, beyond the world of ego, you are good. You are good, and your love endures. As we breathe in and as we breathe out, imagine that all around you, everything is for your good. Everything that comes to you is for your good. And as you breathe in and as you breathe out, it is good. And we affirm it is good. It is good. It is good. Our love endures. Whatever challenges we face as individuals, as a community, it is good. It is good. And our love endures. Because we know we have that assurance of our divine nature. As we sit for a few moments together, maybe you can see your divine nature as a light in you that shines and shines and shines forevermore, ever expanding, ever loving, ever enduring. And as we breathe in all the good that is around us. And as we breathe out, we send that good forth because we know that our love always endures. And so it is.